Buildertrend is used by more than 1 million users worldwide, which matters because it usually means faster updates, more integrations, and a larger support ecosystem compared to smaller platforms. By the end of this, you'll know which one actually fits your business, Buildertrend or CoConstruct, and which type of contractor should avoid each one. Buildertrend and CoConstruct are both construction management platforms built for residential builders and remodelers, but they're designed with slightly different priorities. Buildertrend focuses on being an all-in-one system that handles project management, scheduling, client communication, and financial tracking in one place. CoConstruct is built more around custom home builders and remodelers who want deeper control over selections, budgeting, and client decision-making during the build. First, look at day-to-day project management. Buildertrend keeps things broad and structured. You get scheduling tools, task management, and project timelines that are designed to work across many types of construction businesses. That means it's often easier to onboard teams quickly, especially if you've got multiple crews or changing job sites. CoConstruct goes deeper into job-level detail. It's built for managing complex custom builds where client selections and budget changes happen constantly. That makes it stronger if your projects shift often during construction, but it can feel heavier if you only need basic scheduling and communication. Now look at client communication. Buildertrend gives clients a portal where they can see updates, photos, and progress without constantly calling your office. CoConstruct also offers client communication tools, but it pushes more towards structured selections and approvals tied directly to budgets and change orders. This matters if your biggest problem is clients making late decisions that affect costs. Now the money side. Buildertrend typically uses tiered subscription pricing based on features and company size. CoConstruct also uses subscription-based pricing, but it is usually positioned more toward custom builders who want tighter financial control per project. The real difference here is not just cost, but how deep you want the financial and selection tracking to go. If you want a system that is easier to adopt and scales across different types of construction work, Buildertrend is usually the safer pick. If your business is built around custom homes with heavy client selections and budget changes, CoConstruct is usually the better fit. Here's the simple breakdown. Buildertrend is stronger for general construction management and team scaling. CoConstruct is stronger for detailed custom home building workflows. One practical step: list your last 5 projects and count how many required major client selection changes mid-build. If that number is high, CoConstruct fits better. If not, Buildertrend is likely enough. Subscribe for more software breakdowns like this that keep things simple and direct.